Hi, it's Jason Gadby from No Rest of the Weekend. Continuing our coverage of the Soho International Film Festival, I am with Daniele Campbell, the producer of Wales. Hey, Danielle.
Hi, how are you guys?
How does it feel to be in the Soho International Film Festival?
Oh gosh, we're completely honored and incredibly excited to be represented. Yay!
So the film is called Wales,
Yes.
But it was not shot in Wales.
It was not shot in Wales, it was shot in Elba, which is an island off of Italy.
And tell me, what is the film about?
The film is about two sisters. It's an homage to sisterhood, but it's about a family's secluded, twisted world and the impact that secrets have on lives.
Sounds very intriguing.
It's very intriguing.
So what are the plans? What are you guys are doing the festival circuit now?
We're doing the festival circuit. Our hope is to get distribution, and we're actually in the midst of doing pre-production right now for the feature.
Fantastic. Do you guys have a timeline as to when the feature wants to come out?
Well, the mayor of Elba is behind it, which is exciting. There's a big community and mayor behind it. They want to make it an Elba film, which is fantastic. And we're shooting to shoot in late spring, summer of 2019.
So right now you're in pre, and then hopefully.
Yes, I just came back from Italy, literally.
Wow.
Just came back from Elba maybe 3 days ago.
Fantastic,
Yeah.
fantastic. And so the feature's going to come out of this, and then hopefully you'll see that, and you're going to do the festival route with that film?
We'd love to do the festival route with that one as well.
Now, you're the producer.
Yes.
Who's the director of the picture?
Nora, my girlfriend Nora Janicki is the director. She's a fantastic writer and an amazing director as well.
So this is a women in film situation. You got a female production team?
Very much a female production team, female producers, as well as the feature, female producers as well. We have for the feature, we have another girlfriend in Germany, and then we have another lovely lady in Italy, and then myself and Nora would be the USA producers.
Do I need an interpreter?
International production.
Do I need an interpreter to see this movie?
It'll be in English, and then what's not in English will be subtitled.
Fantastic. What message would you want someone to take away from the movie? Well, like with the short, when they come see it here.
We'd love the takeaway to be there's always a way to heal. There's always redemption when it comes to families and pain and hurt and violence and in all its varying forms. And it doesn't have to end a family.
Where can people find out about the film? Are you guys on? Do you have a website for the film?
We are on social media, and the website is currently being created right now for Wales. But you can find me, Daniele Campbell, on social media, on Facebook, as well as Instagram, Daniele Campbell Photography.
Fantastic. More coming from the Soho International Film Festival. Thank you so much, Danielle.
You're so welcome. Enjoy.
Good luck with your project.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.